I don't understand.
Yuk.
The cans.
Jangan pusing-pusing, baby. Beli aja yang murah udah.
Why?
Sudahlah, biarin aja.
Take this one.
Aduh, liar ya, pakai dipikirin.
Hello and welcome back to our channel, Devi and Charles. And it is the continuation of Bad Hair Day. It's now Bad Hair Night. My hair is still, your hair is always beautiful.
Yeah.
Especially when it's up like that.
Yes, I like when Adam hair up like that.
Yes, it's very pretty.
Kan?
So, we are at Winco because Aldi was closed. Yes.
Ini udah malam ya sayang? Jam
And
berapa?
As you can see, Adam's very hungry. He's check out our last video when we went to Ross and Adam bought some street corn that he's still eating.
Pedas padahal, tapi dia bilang enak katanya. For me, it's pedas.
It's pedas? What does pedas mean?
Pedas is spicy.
Spicy? This isn't spicy.
Right.
For me, it's spicy.
You're just weird.
I know. So, like we said, we are at Winco and we need to get food because we're out.
Yes.
And we cannot survive on Mexican street corn.
Yes. Pedas.
So, let's go get some food.
Okay.
Get some freaking steak, guys.
Oke, kita belanja steak yuk.
Alright.
Ya guys, ikut nonton terus sampai selesai ya.
Yes. Ayo.
Ayo dong.
Ayo.
Yuk.
Let me out of here.
Oke. No bebong, no bebong. Tilapia fillet. Cuman $3.98. The tilapia only at $3.98.
And they have the barbecued seasoning chicken.
Ya, dada-dada ayamnya sudah dibumbuin nih guys. Harganya yang ini $10.91. Oh, jangan itu, gula. Tidak baik.
Patriotic.
Yes. It's not even July ya.
Right?
No, not yet.
Not
I
even
know.
June.
Crazy. You know what that means? They're going to start putting...
We already have.
We already have chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
Kita di rumah masih punya ayam. Yang lainnya aja nih yang habis.
So, usually, maybe about 20 years ago, they started putting out Christmas items around, usually around early December, late November.
Yes.
Now they're starting way earlier.
Yes.
Yeah. So, same thing with 4th of July. It's not even June yet.
Yes.
Crazy.
Sekarang masih tanggal 24 Mei guys, tapi sudah ada kue-kue patriotik ya. Ini cotton candy rambut nenek harganya $2.48. Ini Dr. Pepper. Kalau di Indonesia belum ada nih Dr. Pepper nih. Adam suka, Charles apalagi. Cuman kalau aku kurang suka ya, karena rasanya kalau kata aku sih agak-agak sedikit aneh. Harganya $3.48 satunya per botol. Tortilla, we out of tortilla nih.
Out of tortilla?
Yes. I don't like the corn one. Do you like it?
I like the corn, but...
Ih, aneh.
All right, so...
Flour, please.
Flour, $2.18 for 16 counts.
Hah? Mahal ya?
Yeah, we'll
look at
the,
Aldi.
because no, not Aldi. Well, maybe, but they have some over at the in the other section.
Oh iya, ada di rak.
Yeah.
Di rak, di gang yang lain. Yang khusus si tortilla semua. Oh, banana baby.
Yes.
Banana.
I want to look for the coconut water.
Oh, okay. Goya.
You want to get any avocados?
Mau.
Hopefully we'll eat them.
Yes. Kita selalu kalau beli alpukat tuh jatuhnya jadi udah kelamaan jadi busuk nggak dimakan. Sayang tuh harganya 58 sen satu bijinya. Aduh sayangku, mulai lama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oke. Saya juga ngitungnya juga kelambatan, aturan mulai dari tadi ya.
There's no one here.
Ya, sepi banget guys, sepi. Gak ada siapa-siapa kecuali aku sama Charles kayaknya. Adam lagi ke mobil.
I mean, I hear people, but they're very far away.
Yes.
Okay.
Oke. Nggak usah banyak-banyak ya sayang.
This is
For
almost,
making sushi ya.
yeah, this is almost ready.
Oke. Mau beli berapa? How many?
What do you think, 3 or 4?
Oke, 4 oke, 3 oke. I'm not helping you.
No, you're not.
Ada yang sama kayak Adam rambutnya. Sama kayak Adam rambutnya.
This is same hair.
Aku mau ngambil ini bell peppersnya lagi murah nih 78 cents, biasanya $1. Aku ambil semua warna karena sangat menarik.
Okay, so we're getting bell peppers, yeah. Because they're 78 cents for the yellow, orange, and red.
You're saying facts, not
Oh yeah, facts. Okay, I saw this on Instagram. So there's something to do with the bell peppers that are.
The butt of bell pepper.
Yes, this one has four sections.
Yeah.
Well, some of them have
3.
3.
Yeah.
One is good for salads. The other one is good for cooking, but I can't remember which one.
Anybody knows?
Yeah. Does anyone remember?
Please leave comment
Yes.
because
leave a
we
comment.
always forgot.
Yes.
Satu aja ya.
And I guess it's the same with all these other ones too, because this one has
Okay.
3. Okay, it's 4. This is 3 sections. That one's 4 sections. Between having one for salads and having one for cooking.
really.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I don't know how true that is.
Mana dia? Oh ini dia. Sayang brokoli ya, di Aldi nggak ada soalnya. Ya,
Broccoli
ya di Aldi soalnya
at
dia
Aldi?
nggak ada. Jarang. Jarang is rare and sometimes already yellow.
Oh, okay. So here's the
Okay.
broccoli's good.
Yes.
I mean, it looks good because it's still wet.
Oke. Ini ya, satu aja ya.
Yes.
Only one because I don't want
Only
getting
one?
wet. Ya, getting
All right.
wet.
$10.48. Pretty good selection. Yes.
I don't know this place.
Yes.
Yeah, how's the time going?
Steak, 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 and more steak. Wait, hot dogs? What are these doing in here? Here, let's stick you right there.
That up and their mom was like, nope.
Yes. Nope, we're not getting this.
No discount maybe?
Doesn't look like it. But you got to be careful because. Wait, I thought this is pork because it's more pink, but it's not.
Yeah,
It's steak.
beef. It's beef. Sapi.
Cut thin.
Oh, it's cut thin. Ah, yeah. Because there's a lot of them and it's
Pork thin.
fairly cheap. Nah, that's all right.
Oh, this is very cheap for cooking.
For
Look,
cooking?
Only 11
Ah,
for make a rawon and rendang.
yeah.
Do you want?
What about that one? Is this one better? The
Huh?
petite steak?
Tuh.
The petite steak? It's
I have no idea.
Akhirnya Adam sudah menetapkan apa yang mau dibeli dan yang mana. Yang mana, Dek? Coba kasih lihat. Ini pilihannya Adam. $11.60. Harga per poundnya itu $5.98. So, tring. Berapa whole chickennya sayang?
$7.41.
$7.41.
Is that a good price?
Yeah, it's about like 6 or 7 the price.
Okay.
Ayam Amerika gendut-gendut. Kemarin itu di Houston kita disuguhin minuman air kelapa, ada potongan daging kelapanya sama Agus dengan Bulan ya. Sekarang Om Bule jatuh cinta sama air kelapanya Goya. Itu enak banget deh, air kelapanya Goya. How much, baby?
$1.42 each.
Oh, satunya
Yes.
$1.42.
See it at Contorcitos.
Ih,
Oh, I'm sorry. With pulp. So it's the coconut chunks inside there.
apa kamu bilang tadi apa? Apa?
Huh?
Apa?
Apa what? Oh. So coconut water with pulp or agua de coco, contorcitos.
Ih, jorok.
Gimana sih?
Now?
Now.
All?
Now. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Apa wait a minute? Apa baby? Bener-bener yang itu?
Hold on.
What?
I don't understand this. So this
Ya,
is
Contositos.
yes, con. That's
Yeah.
with con
Aha.
trocitos.
Oh, oke.
Trocitos means like pulp or chunks.
Oh, oke, daging, meat.
Yeah. So this one
Aha.
is for this can.
Ya,
17.6 ounces.
betul.
17.6
Iya.
ounces.
Aha.
$1.42.
Iya.
This one,
Aha.
11.8 ounces, smaller cans.
Ya,
It's the same thing with the,
Contositos.
yes,
Aha.
11.8 ounces, $1.54.
Oh,
So it's 13.1 cents per ounce versus 8 cents per ounce. So this is much cheaper. You get much more.
yes.
I don't understand.
Yuk,
The cans,
jangan pusing-pusing baby, beli aja yang murah udah. Sudah,
why?
Sudahlah, biarin aja.
Take this one.
Aduh, liar ya, pakai dipikirin. Kalau kita mah ya udah dapat yang lebih banyak dan murah kan, alhamdulillah. Ini mah dia
Yeah.
mah pakai mikirin.
All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Anything else we need to get?
Let's walking.
Okay. You have deodorant?
Ada yang ditanya?
Yeah.
Do I have deodorant?
You have.
Okay, good.
Ada sampo nggak? Ada.
Bubu lubu.
Apa? Bubu lubu?
Mm.
Apa bubu lubu?
So, this is candy from Mexico.
Ya.
So it's chocolate with like a strawberry jelly and
Uh-huh.
marshmallow.
Aha.
But it has
The marshmallow, check first. There's the gelatin or no.
Oh, good call.
If gelatin cannot.
Gummy? Yeah.
If gelatin itu babi, bebong. Nggak boleh.
Holy shit, nope.
Hold on.
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
Oke, nggak boleh ya. Bye-bye. Elah, sedih-sedih. Beli tortilla, sayang.
Yeah.
The flower one, please.
The flour ones. Do you want the big ones or the small ones?
It's up to you.
So I'm looking at the unit price.
This one, 14.
Yeah. So 14.9 cents per ounce.
Yes.
13.2. This one's 9.1.
So
This
this one is cheaper.
yes.
Okay, take
It's
that. Agree. That's a medium size, right?
Yes.
Harganya $2.18. Centing.
Tring.
nambah belanjaannya. Ada yang beli Guinness sama
Okay, this is
popcorn.
card only.
Oh, card only. Udah mau bayar nih, guys.
Got your own card?
Yeah.
Guys, sudah selesai. Adam juga sudah selesai bawa belanjaannya sendiri. Adam belanjaannya. Nah, ini dia. Papa Koko. Boleh.
Huh?
How much you spend?
What?
How much you
Okay,
spend?
so I had to buy rechargeable batteries, so that was
Mahal ya, recharger baterai.
yeah,
Baterai yang bisa di-charge.
that was $16.54
Wow, $16?
and 54 cents
54
because there's
cents.
4 of them and they're rechargeable.
Oke,
Because can't find the other ones; they just disappeared.
ya.
Not sure.
Mahal tapi kan bisa di-charge lagi,
Yeah.
bagus jadinya.
So if you subtract $16.54
Aha.
because that was kind of an impulse buy,
So totally
totally $52.25.
52,
25.
25.
Yeah.
Jalan.
Ring. All right.
Alright. And Adam, I think he spent like 37 something.
Yeah, 37, 38, something
Yeah,
like that.
$38.
Yeah.
Ting. Tadi kan Adam beli steak ya guys. Dengan beli popcorn, dengan beli sushi. Oke guys, terima kasih sudah menonton video belanja di Winco
Yes.
malam ini. Thank you for support us dan
Yes.
selalu mendukung channel kami. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.
Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell, hit the button.
Diketok.
Yeah.
Dan
Yes, and where was I? Yes. Thanks for watching. Dah.
dadah.